NGO we found, which is Bhumi, who was doing a marvelous job in terms of supporting the government school which was already there.
When we first came into Rasulpura, what kept staring at us was this school.
3 साल पहले जब यहाँ पर भूमि स्टार्ट किए थे आके एक प्रोग्राम के तहत फ्रीडम अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन एवरी 15 अगस्त को करते हैं जो प्रोग्राम 14 अगस्त मिडनाइट से वॉलंटियर्स को गैदर करके वो सेल्फली लेबर वर्क करते हैं। तब सिर्फ 2 क्लासरूम थे, उसके बाद आज बढ़ते बढ़ते 24 क्लासरूम्स हो गए, 700 चिल्ड्रंस पढ़ रहे हैं यहाँ पर।
ये स्कूल है जो गवर्नमेंट है, पैसा तो नहीं लगता ना इसमें पढ़ाना बहुत ज़रूरी है, लाजमी है बच्चों को। हम दूसरों को भी यही सलाह देते हैं कि जाके इसमें डालो, तो वो लोग काम पे जाते हैं तो मैं बोलती हूँ आप लोगों को नहीं होता है तो बोलो मैं लेके जाके डाल के आती हूँ।
My name is Hina Begum. I am studying 6th class. मुझे गेम्स बहुत पसंद आते हैं और पेंटिंग्स।
मैं सरदार बेगम और मैं हिना के दादी हूँ मैं, और इनकी मदर मम्मी नहीं है, इंतकाल कर गए। मैं घर में टेलरिंग करती हूँ, बच्चों को अरबी पढ़ाती हूँ, पढ़ा के इन बच्चों को पढ़ा रही हूँ मैं। और आगे इनको जो भी है फ्यूचर में सब अच्छा बुरा सब मेरे जिम्मेदारी है। ये बच्चों के लिए भेजो, फ्यूचर में अच्छा है, बच्चों को नहीं पढ़ाएंगे तो बच्चों का कैसा होगा, बल्कि लोगों के लिए बोलते रहती मैं, हर माँ को बोलते रहती हूँ, हर घर में हर एक को बोलती मैं कि पढ़ाना बच्चों को, अच्छी तालीम देना बोल के बोलती हूँ।
We have a tutoring mentoring program on ground, and these services are being provided to the children of the government school. And because of this constant support and encouragement, for the first time in the history of Rasulpura, I think, there are 6 students from this government school who've gone on to secure admissions in engineering colleges. They're now engineers and they are back into the program as mentors.
I'm doing engineering in Pullareddy Institute of Technology, and I completed in intermediate Royal Junior College in SR Nagar, and schooling are completed in government high school. మా ఇంట్లో అందరూ నాతో పాటు నాకు 3 అక్కలు ఉన్నారు, అన్నయ్య ఉన్నాడు. కాకపోతే వాళ్ళందరూ అన్ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్, వాళ్ళు ఎవరు చదువుకోలేదు. మా ఇంట్లో నన్ను మాత్రమే చదివిస్తున్నారు. ఎందుకంటే నేను చిన్నగా ఉన్నప్పుడు మా నాన్నగారు చనిపోవడంతో ఇంకా అందరూ పనులు చేయడం జరిగింది. నేను చిన్నగా ఉన్నాను కాబట్టి నన్ను స్కూల్లో జాయిన్ చేశారు. కాబట్టి ఇట్లా భూమి సహాయంతో నేను అలా చదువుతూ ముందుకు వచ్చాను.
My name is Mohammad Ubaidullah Khan. I completed my intermediate from Royal Junior College. Presently I'm pursuing BTech from Shas College of Engineering and Technology in Electronics and Communication branch.
I have 2 sons and 2 daughters. They got the education. My first son is undergraduate. My daughter is the BSc Microbiology, and the third one, my son Ubaidullah, he is going to the engineering, and the fourth one now the study. I am expecting my son, or I am expecting my daughter, they should be do the same work what the Bhumi is doing.
जो मेंटर्स बाहर से आते प्रोफेशनल्स है, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स है या इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स है, ग्रेजुएशन स्टूडेंट्स है, वो लोग जो आके इनके साथ शेयर करते हैं, इनके साथ बड़े भाई की तरह बड़े बहन की तरह इनके साथ रहने से इनके अंदर चेंजेस आए कि अब ये लोग भी सोच रहे हैं कि हम भी इंजीनियर बनेंगे, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बनेंगे, डॉक्टर्स बनेंगे या हायर एजुकेशन के लिए हम भी जाएंगे।
What we do every Sunday is go and mentor the kids, have one-on-one mentoring programs so that we come to know more about the kids' problems, what they like, what they don't like, how they face it, and also we fund the kids once we know that they are good at their studies and they can go to a better level. We help as much as we can so that they know both what is their status and how they can grow out of it and get more help from us.
मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं टीचर बनूँ, जो भी लोग नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं उन लोगों को पढ़ाऊँ और उन लोगों को जीने का एक मकसद बताऊँ। अगर मुझे मौका मिले कि मैं पढ़ लिख कर कुछ बनकर किसी की सहायता कर सकूँ तो ज़रूर करूँगी।
Working in a government school, we must be parents as well as teachers also. Education is free. Some organizations are giving dresses, books. They can't afford from their parents.
నా పేరు నరసింహ మేడం. నేను ఆటో నడిపిస్తున్నా. మాకు 4 పిల్లలు, 3 పిల్లలు, మేము 2 5 ఒక అమ్మాయి పెళ్లి చేసేసాను. ఆమెకు డబ్బులు ఇచ్చి పంపించాను. వీళ్ళు 3 ఉన్నారు, ఇప్పుడు 2 ఉన్నారు. ఈ ఇద్దరిలో ఒక పిల్లాడు చదువుతున్నాడు, మొన్నటిదాకా చదివాడు, ఇప్పుడు డ్యూటీ చేస్తున్నాడు. ఈమె చదువుతున్నది, ఈమె మ్యారేజ్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నాం మేము. మ్యారేజ్ వద్దన్నది, చదువుకుంటా అంటుంది. చదువుకొని ఏమన్నా డ్యూటీ తిరిగేదాకా చదువుకోవాలని చదివిస్తున్నాను.
నా పేరు నరసింహులు అండి. నేను ఆటో డ్రైవర్గా పనిచేస్తున్నాను. మాకు ఇద్దరు కూతురు, ఒక అబ్బాయి ఉన్నారు. మా పెద్ద అమ్మాయి 10th తరగతి ఆపేశాం. మా రెండో అమ్మాయి 2nd ఇయర్ చేస్తున్నారు. మా బాబు 8th క్లాస్ అవుతున్నారు. చదివి ఇంకా ఎక్కువ చదవాలని మేము కోరుకుంటున్నాం.
We've run various kinds of CSR initiatives in Sonata. We've collected books for children, we've helped the aged, we help people during times of natural disasters, both during the tsunami as well as the floods that happened recently. But we were really looking for that one initiative that we could all of us contribute to. And we found that most Sonatians found themselves very closely associated both with education and children. And we thought that the Rasulpura Government High School initiative was something that would be very close to all our hearts.
Giving it forward, what I take, I need to contribute it to the betterment of the society for the people who are not as well off as I am. And after I got here, I heard about this cause where they were contributing to a school at Rasulpura, and I had to be a part of it. Even though I didn't have time, I had a child where I couldn't spend time at the Rasulpura school, but I wanted to contribute in some way, and they gave me an idea that even contributing money would be good enough. And I did that, and it's very gratifying because there are colleagues who can spend time, there are colleagues who can mentor the kids by going there every fortnight and teaching them stuff, teaching them maths and things they knew about the world outside. I couldn't do that. The best I could do was contribute money, and I think each of us can pick something that we can do, our bit, to this cause and help the kids of Rasulpura to have a better life.
Our focus has always been on the core education of the underprivileged children, and we believe that through the education we can uplift an individual as well as his or her family to achieve a much better life and to give them some kind of wings to them to fly.
What has started making a difference is that there is an organization that's really committed to ensuring good quality education in that school. That education, A, of good quality is available, B, when accessed, it can have a life transforming impact.
When you see the kind of smile, when you distribute a simple thing like a drawing book to them, your heart kind of lifts up. So I think as part of not only just IT professionals all over, if there is an interest, if there is a will, there is a way to be able to contribute. Rasulpura is just one example. I'm sure there are many such schools all over the country, and if we can get together, form a partnership both with NGOs as well as the schools, I think we can make a huge difference.
मैं बड़े होकर इंजीनियर बनना चाहती हूँ
और मैं बड़ा होकर डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ.